within this sector. It's important education also for the new manager within this sector. And I think for a small country as Malta, it's important to present Malta within Europe, abroad. I am working with China and with Russia because I want to increase the number of tourists coming from Russia, China and South America. And Malta within Europe, because if it's possible to present, to explain what's happening in Malta, Malta heritage within Europe, I think is much better. Malta is in Europe, La Valletta is in Europe, Mdina is in Europe, Caravaggio is in Malta, within Europe. I think for this, the quality, European quality level for Malta, I think is very, very important. My first target, and then I am also organized for during low season a pilot project, and Malta will be within this project for tourists coming from South America during our low season, and for our tourists going to South America during our low season. This is a pilot project. I think it's very important with a lot of European companies, a lot of member states. Malta will be protagonists within this project.